Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert a table of contents on the Google Docs website. So first of all of course all you need to do, just go and open whatever browser you are going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course here in my case I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open your browser, go here to the URL section and type just Google Docs, hit the enter button. That will take you into this page. From that page you will need to click at the first link, make sure it's not an ad or advertisement, and once you click on it, you'll find yourself here at this page. Of course, from here, you'd like to click at sign in to log in into your account if you have one. But if you don't have an account, you'll need to click at sign up for free to create your account. Of course, if you have a Google account already linked into your browser, you'll be able to do those two options simple and fast. And it will prevent you from doing all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. So once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself here. From here, you'll be able to create a new document, which is just blank page, or you can just choose some of their provided free templates by Google Docs, or you can just go and open some of your recent documents. For me, I'm just going to click add this document, which is actually empty. And from here, I'd like to show you how to insert what sorry, we would like to insert a table of contents. So of course, if you would like to insert a table of contents, we would like to have some headings first. So just type hello and how, hi, and all of those will be our headings. So go here, hidden 1, go here, hidden 2, and go here and hidden 3. Now what I would like to do is just hit the space button. Now I'm going to insert, go into table of content, choose the first one or second one, choose whatever you want, and that will actually insert my table of contents. Once I click at any of them, or once I change a hidden here, just go into the table of contents again, refresh it, and it will be refreshed as well. So that will be actually for the tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.